1998 Cadillac Eldorado ETC here at Unique Specialty and Classics. And listen to this, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, adult owned and driven, actual mile car, 34,108 is all on this black beauty. Underneath the hood, 4.6 liter dual overhead cam V8. That's paired up with an automatic with overdrive transmission, of course, power steering, power brakes, AC. Take a look at the front fascia. You can see paint on this one, nice shape. Now, granted, it is black and it's pushing 30 years old with original paint. You may find a little imperfection here or there, or maybe a little touch up from a little pebble chip or what have you. But overall, you can see reflection in the paint, shines there. Black on black, power sunroof, chrome wheels. Check out the still pictures. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. There's the chrome wheels. Goodyear Eagle RSAs. Those possibly could be the original tires in the car, just so you know. They're starting to show their age, and obviously would need to be replaced before driven too far if they are original tires. I'd have to get on the back side and look at the date codes. But I believe that is the original tire that came on this car. All right, let's take a look down this passenger side. And again, you can see it's really free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches up and down the passenger side here. Ebony or black interior, bucket seats. Very luxurious rides, nicely equipped, plenty of power, and still get decent gas mileage. The range on these cars on a full tank of fuel, unbelievable. Owned one of these for a few years. Enjoyed it immensely. As you can see, dual exhaust exiting the rear. Couple notes from the technician on this one. Brakes are 90% front and 80% rear, and they also noted tires are showing their age. Did notice there was a little star, a little spider webbing, a little star, kind of right back on that rear bumper or fascia. That's probably the biggest thing I noticed, other than, like I said, a few imperfections as far as a little pebble chip here or there. Let's take a look down this driver's side. If you like Cadillac, especially Eldorados, who doesn't? No matter what year, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. And that can be done online right off our showroom floor. You can see the reflection in that paint. The wall with the cars behind me. Nice, deep, glossy finish. Let's take a little closer look at this interior. A little bit of separation in the armrest right there. Nothing too major. Those armrests and door panels look good. Of course, power windows, power mirrors, memory seating, power locks, power seat. Both sides on this one. They are working, you can see. Seats not showing a lot of wear. A little bit on that bolster on the rear armrest, and that's just kind of from the leather, the natural hide wrinkling. Keep some nice leather conditioner on that, and it'll last for many years. Fan and temp controls, and also radio controls on the steering wheel, cruise control, tilt column. Let me show you and I believe this has both sets of keys, both key fobs. Key fob did work to open the trunk on this set I have here. There's the exact miles, 34,108. There's no service, engine soon lights, anything like that on. Electronic dual climate control, so you would have your passenger temp adjustment over here. And that does not flicker. That's the phase of the camera. If you're sitting here looking at that in person, it's solid. It's not flickering. Same with the radio. Little Van Halen. Better jump on this if you're looking for one of these. Wood grain on the dash looks good. Top of the dash. No surprises there. About power sunroof. And that would slide all the way back like in the roof line, or you should be able to just vent it if you just want it vented like that. Smooth running, quiet vehicles. Absolute blast to drive. Smooth riding, luxurious, and listen to that if you can hear it. Power antenna works. Let's go check out this engine bay. Underside of the hood, you can tell this thing hasn't been driven in inclement weather. Look how clean that hood liner is. Everything appears stock. Nice and clean and tidy. V8 running smooth. Good looking car. And a fun car to drive, no doubt about that. 1998 Cadillac Eldorado ETC. 34,108 actual miles. Clean Carfax. Call us 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Yeah, remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt, gas it. Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 1998 Cadillac Eldorado, black on black. Very nice looking car. Some wood grain in the dash and on the center console. Where the automatic shifter is on that center console. Plenty of power in this Cadillac. Nice throttle response. A quiet ride, as most Cadillacs have. You can hear that engine revving just enough to enjoy it. Our temperature gauge shows halfway up the gauge. The fuel tank shows completely full. Tachometer and speedometer appear to be working as they should. The AC blows cold in this car. We have a stereo by Bose. That is working as well. Very comfortable leather bucket seats. Center storage. The road feel is as you would expect. A little bit of sporty, but a lot of luxury in this Cadillac's ride. I have a power moonroof over my head, see-through. The headliner is even black. The dash is even black. It looks really good. Smooth braking. Controls for the stereo on the right side of the steering wheel. It's got corners nicely. It does lean a little in the corners, as you'd expect for a luxury automobile. Fan and temperature also adjustable on the steering wheel with little tabs behind the wheel. Something you don't see every day. Cruise control works on this car. Take a look at all the pictures of this very nice black Cadillac at uniqueclassiccars.com.